heard tell about something special you got cooking here. A legendary Smashburger. The Gruyère extraordinaire.
Well now, that's a mighty fine thing to be seeking. But I don't want no trouble, fella. How about you take a load off? First bourbon's on the house.
Well, I ain't one to turn down good whiskey. But that burger. I've been riding long and hard just for a taste.
Folks around here get mighty protective of that Smashburger. Last fella who tried cutting line, well, let's just say he ain't chewing solid food no more.
There'll be no trouble, mister. Now, I'll take that bourbon and that burger.
To keep our cowboys satisfied, we use shaved ribeye and add ground allspice peppers and a little Kashmiri red chili for some extra bite. For now, set aside the bacon when it is nice and crispy and use the flat top to caramelize the meat. When the meat starts to brown nicely, it is time to add our favorite cheese, Gruyère. One on the bottom and one on top, and then work it into the meat as a good binder. Next, we toast some tomato and garlic paste and rub the mixture into the bottom bun and smash it down as hard as you can without breaking the bread. This will give us a delicious base for the meat. Next, we add the bacon on top of the ribeye Gruyère mixture and cover it with one slice of American cheese. And finally, we fry a sunny side-up egg for each burger, as we want the yolk to run when the Smashburger is eaten. Full of flavor and nice and gooey. No wonder the cowboys fight for this burger.